Hi, I'm just showing you how I throw my the food. I always put it in a bag so it doesn't create any amoy in the garbage can. See, I have so many plastic here. So don't you ever tell me na mabaho ang aming trash bin. Okay? Kasi I'm so particular with smell. Sino bang gusto ng mabaho, di ba? So, this is how I do it. Mga ano to, bago to mga pagkain, pero I want to show you an example on how I throw the food that I do not need anymore. And I do this like a day before I throw my garbage. So there's no reason for you guys to tell me na mabaho ang aking garbage can. Okay? So I comply with any apartment rules. So this is how I do it. And I put it in the freezer a day before magtatapon ng basura. Ayan o. Naka-plastic lahat yan. Okay? For the record. That's me.